Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Portmore. We are in the greater Portmore area and we are going to give you a drone tour of the construction that's going on at the greater Portmore Plaza. They are expanding the plaza and modernizing it, giving it a new look and putting up new stores. So that big building, the big building where you can see that big roof, that is the Shoppers Fair supermarket. And then to the left and the right you have shops. Now if you look to the right you can see some construction going on. Those are the new stores that are going up. And the same thing is happening to the left. So Portmore is a growing city. It's going to be actually a parish very soon. That's how much it has grown. And so these plazas do extremely well, especially when you have, you need three things for a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, a brand name supermarket, which Shoppers Fair is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. You need to build it in a populated area, and Greater Portmore is a very populated area. And three, you need food stores. And once you have those three things, your plaza will do very well. And Portmore is so populated that Shoppers Fair has two supermarkets here. They have one here in Greater Portmore and they have one over by the Portmore Mall where they are building the park. So that can give you an idea of just how big the population is in Portmore. So these are the new stores that they are putting up. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. Oh, before I go, Portmore is going to become a parish very soon. Should happen. Well, I'm not sure why it hasn't happened already because they have passed the legislation already. So hopefully this year it will officially become the 15th parish of Jamaica. And there, straight ahead is the entrance to the Shoppers Fair supermarket. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.